Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the Shiba Inu token. My friends, my a lot of viewers, my a lot of subscribers ask me questions about Shiba Inu. That why the price of Shiba Inu is falls down? Why the price of Shiba Inu is decrease? What's the reason behind this? So finally in this video I want to answer your question, my friends. Keep watching this video for more and better understanding, and also make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, you can see that the price of the Shiba Inu is completely falls down. That's clear for all of you. There the price of the Shiba Inu is completely falls down. But now the latest situation, the latest update of the Shiba Inu is going positive, and now from the 20th July the Shiba Inu start jumping gradually. Not a quick jump occur, gradually the Shiba Inu start explosion, and still the price of Shiba Inu is in the jumping mode. Anyways, leave it, we are talking about the Shiba Inu decreasing, my friends. You know what, why the price of Shiba Inu is decreasing? My friends, the reason is that you know what, especially the short-term investor in the market. Short-term investor, when the Shiba Inu start explosion, when the Shiba Inu start jumping, so the short-term investor wake up in the market and they understand, they know about the future of the Shiba Inu, that they is about to make a huge move, and same like that occurs. So you know what, in a previous month the Shiba Inu taken a huge pump and on the trending token in the market. So that's why the short-term investor more and more invest in the Shiba Inu. Is the price of the Shiba Inu start decreasing, the short-term investor all start selling Shiba Inu token, and they take his profit, go away from the market. So when they are going to sell, so the supply is decreasing. That's why the price of Shiba Inu is also decreasing, my friends. So that is the reason behind it, and you know what, the investors starting selling. So but now you can see, now once again the people are investing in a Shiba Inu, and I hope that the price change will become positive, and they once again the price will start explosion, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.